Hello and welcome to Thyrus Web Development Tips and Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use custom fonts of your choice on your website. We will see how to embed from Google Fonts and also use the fonts that are not available on Google. This is my web page, and as you can see, I have a heading and two paragraphs. If you look at the code, go to Style Sheet. I have just used font family serif for my heading and font family sans serif for my paragraphs. Now let's say I want to use a font called Noto Sans for my paragraphs. We will first see if it's available on Google Fonts. Go to fonts.google.com and search Noto Sans. Great, it's available. Click on it. Select the regular style. Click on Embed. Copy this code. Go to index.html and add this line just before linking your style sheet. Go back to the page. Copy this line and replace it with font family sans serif. Now check the browser. Great, we have our paragraphs in Noto Sans font now. Next, let's say for my heading, I want to use a different font. Let me search free fonts, no license. And I find this link. I open it and I find the first font arrow really good. Click on it. Download. You get a zip file. Unzip it. You will notice that you have a TTF file now. How do you use this in the web page? Go to fontsquirrel.com and go to generator here. Upload your font and now once you click on yes, the fonts I'm uploading are legally eligible for web embedding, you can download your kit. Again, once it's downloaded, unzip the file. You will notice that there are two files here with extension WOFF and WOFF2. This is the format we need for our web pages. Copy these two files into the code folder inside a new folder called fonts. Now, if you go back to the downloaded kit, there's also a style sheet. Open that. Copy this particular code and paste it in your own style sheet somewhere above HTML and body. This is the path of the font file with respect to this style sheet file. So right now we need to change this to fonts/ in both the places. Now just copy this line here that says font family arrow serif and replace it down with font family serif for your heading. That's it. Check your browser, refresh, and there it is. You have successfully added a custom font to your web page. Thank you for watching. Hit a like and share this video ahead. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single video from Thyrus.